iCat offers complete treatment solutions for implants and oral surgery that helps provide confident outcomes for you and your patient. Every iCat includes unique and powerful treatment tools with the exclusive Treatment Studio Suite. One of the most exciting new features in Treatment Studio is the integrated implant, abutment, and restoration planning tools. Plans are created chairside with patients or in consultation rooms in minutes, resulting in predictable and confident surgeries, along with better patient engagement in their proposed treatments. Additional tools include nerve canal identification for third molar extractions, TMJ analysis, airway tools, and endodontic tools. With iCat, you get the fastest 3D workflow available. Scans can be completed in seconds and available in each operatory in less than a minute. iCat helps you put patient health first with the lowest dose scanning option of the complete dental anatomy available. Dose can be controlled with two powerful features. First is the exclusive iCollimator, which allows you to only image the anatomy you need. Second is iCat's exclusive low-dose quick scan, which creates a 3D scan of the full dentition for nearly the same dose as a panoramic X-ray. When panoramic imaging is required, iCat provides iPan, a traditional low-dose 2D panoramic scan. The iCat is available in two models, the full-size iCat and the implant-focused iCat Precise. The iCat Precise provides complete 3D views of both dental arches and temporomandibular joint. With iCat Precise, implant surgical guides can be ordered quickly and conveniently through the included software. The iCat Precise is a smart financial investment that can typically be paid for by placing 2 implants a month. iCat, powerful tools, the fastest workflow, and more clinical and dose control. To learn more, contact your local iCat representative.